Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on Metz Google TV. To do this, first we'll need to pick a language. So here you can scroll down using your remote to pick a specific language for the interface on this TV. Then we need to choose our region, and in this case I'm just gonna pick something random. And then we can set up our Google TV using only our TV or perform a basic setup. And in this video I'm going with a basic setup. There's also a video for the Google TV normal setup. If you want to watch it, it should be in a playlist with this TV on our channel. Now we need to connect our TV with the Wi-Fi. So simply pick whichever Wi-Fi you have the password for and enter it right now. Then we can proceed. Now there's terms and services that you can read through and we'll need to accept them to actually proceed. Did you know you can read through that if you like? I'm gonna skip that. Then we need to accept our Google services, so let's do that. LCN switch, are there LCN numbers in the channel list? In this case, let's go with default settings. You can also change it to off or on. We can enter a password for our TV, and keep in mind that the default password when you have this TV brand new is 4 times 0. And now we can set up new password. In this case, I'm gonna go with 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then confirm it. There's a tuner mode. You can switch on how it will find the channels if you want them. There's antenna, cable, and satellite. I'm gonna skip them. And the setup is finished. We can begin to use this TV. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.